LCM. Let me repeat all the important models. LCM stands for least common multiple. Least common multiples. The methods which we discussed are method 1, LCM of 6, 12 method. Method 2, if the number is not a multiple of other numbers, LCM of 9, 12 method. Method 3, co-prime concept. Co-prime concept. Method 4, not a co-prime concept. Not a co-prime concept. Not a co-prime concept. Method 5, condensing method. Condensing method, which is derived from method 1 and method 2. Method 6, highest powers method. Highest powers method. Highest powers method. These are the various methods that we discussed. Right? Now, let us get into the problems. Anil Nair's way of solving answer options. What are the important methods that we discussed? Concept. If one number has a digital sum 9, if one number has a digital sum 9, LCM of any number with a digital sum 9, answer digital sum should be 9. Answer digital sum should be 9. First one. Second one, divisibility rule concept. If more than one answer option has the same digital sum, use divisibility rule concept. These three, divisibility rule concept. I hope it is clear. Yes, Sitaram, you are right. Base system class is not available because I only made it private. Right? You want the class to be public, you will share it to your friends and make it 1000 plus watching. I believe in a win-win relationship. Right? Divisibility rule concept. Right. Now first problem. First one. Now before that one, LCM of fractions. LCM of fractions. It is LCM of numerator divided by HCF of denominator. HCF of denominator. I will give you the proof also. HCF of fractions. HCF of fractions. It is HCF of numerator. HCF of numerator divided by LCM of denominator. LCM of denominator. First time you are going to see the proof. Why LCM of fractions is LCM of numerator by HCF of denominator. Any one proof I will do it. I will do this proof. I will do this proof. Let there are three fractions, x by y, a by b, m by n. Let there are three fractions, x by y, a by b and m by n. I am finding HCF of all this. Let HCF of all these is p by q. Right? Why HCF of fractions is HCF of numerator by LCM of denominator. Now, let me take a simple example. I am doing HCF because it's relatively easy to do. 6, 12 and 9. HCF of 6, 12 and 9 is 3. HCF of 6, 12, 9 is 3. That means, can I say, by taking this an example, 6 is a factor of 3 or 6 is a multiple of 3. 6 is a multiple of 3. Am I right? 6 is a multiple of 3. Or in other words, 3 is a factor of 6. 3 is a factor of 6. That means remainder when 6 divided by 3 is 0. Am I right? 6 divided by 3, it is 0. Listen carefully, sir. Otherwise, you will mug up. Why LCM of HCF of fractions is HCF of numerator by denominator? Proof. HCF of 6, 12 and 9 is 3. That means 6 is a multiple of 3. 6 is a multiple of 3 means 6 when divided by 3, remainder is 0. According to this example, x by y by p by q, remainder should be 0. That means remainder of x by y into q by p, it should be 0. It should be 0. Are you all with me? It should be 0. What is the conclusion from this one? Conclusion is, if x by y into q by p is 0, that means x should be a multiple of p. X should be a multiple of p and q should be a multiple of y. Am I right? Q should be a multiple of y. Now if you observe, x should be a multiple of p or q should be a multiple of y. Q is a multiple of y. Similarly, next conclusion is q is a multiple of b. Then q is a multiple of n. If q is a multiple of y, b and n, obviously I will take LCM of the denominator. Are you all with me? Just let us take only one thing, where q is a multiple of y. Again I am explaining. HCF of 6, 12 and 9 is 3. That means 6 is a multiple of 3. If 6 is a multiple of 3, 6 when divided by 3, remainder is 0. Taking this example, can I say that if I write 6 as 6 by 1, x by y when divided by p by q is 0. That means x by y into q by p is 0. That means q should be a multiple of y. Am I right? Q should be a multiple of y. If q is a multiple of y, next condition q is a multiple of b. Next condition q is a multiple of n. Q is a multiple of y, b and n. That means multiple I should take, so I wrote LCM down. Are you all with me? Are you all with me? Why the denominator should be LCM? Why can't it be HCF? It cannot be HCF in the denominator. Why? Because if 6, 12, 9 HCF is 3, 6 divided by 3, remainder is 0. X by y by p by q is 0. X by y into q by p is 0. Q should be a multiple of y. Why? Because x and y are co-primes in a fractions. If q is a multiple of y, if q is a multiple of b, if q is a multiple of n, all the three numbers common multiple is nothing but LCM. I hope it is clear, right? I hope it is clear. That is the reason we will write LCM of fractions is LCM of fractions is LCM of numerator divided by HCF of denominator. So it is LCM of 8 by 1, 16 by 20 and 10 by 7. These are nothing but LCM of 8, 16 with 10 divided by HCF of 1, 20 and 7. HCF of 1 with any number 1. 8 is a Factor of 16, it is eliminated. 10 and 16. 10 and 16. LCM is 2 5s are 2 8s are. So this will become 2 into 8 5s are 40. Answer is 80 by 1, which is 80. LCM of fractions is LCM of numerator by HCF of denominator. Very easy question. I don't need to spend too much time on this. Next onwards, every question is a beautiful question. Find the LCM of pi and 22 by 7. Pi is an irrational number. Pi is an irrational number. 22 by 7 is a rational number. Pi is not equivalent to 22 by 7. Pi is approximated to 22 by 7. Approximation cannot be the value. LCM for natural numbers exists. LCM for natural numbers you can find it out. LCM for rational numbers you can find it out. Rational numbers you can find it out. Rational numbers is fractions. If the denominator is 1, then it becomes a natural number. Irrational with rational cannot exist. Irrational with rational, we cannot find out LCM. Cannot find out LCM. Sir, why we cannot find out LCM? Or LCM do not exist. LCM do not exist. LCM for a rational with irrational cannot be possible. Why? Because rational is a terminating decimal. Rational is a terminating decimal. Irrational is a non-terminating decimal. Non-terminating decimal. First reason. Rational is a recurring decimal. The value will keep on moving. That's irrational is a non-recurring decimal. Irrational is a non-recurring decimal. It's completely opposite poles. Irrational with rational, you cannot define LCM because one value will stop, another value will keep growing. You cannot compare a unique value with a countable infinite value. You can compare two terminating values. You cannot compare a non-terminating non-recurring with terminating recurring. Non-terminating non-recurring, right? With things. Irrational with rational, it is not possible. I hope it is clear. Second one. Now, third one. Listen carefully, sir. LCM Model 2. Model 2. Beautiful questions today. You will fall in love with the kind of questions that you are going to solve. Mark my words. Now, 6 power 6 is, write the number as a power of prime bases. 2 into 3 power 6, which is 2 power 6 into 3 power 6. 8 power 8 is 2 cube power 8, which is 2 power 24. We don't know the value of n, but we know the value as 12 power 12. 12 is nothing but 2 square into 3 power 12, which is 2 power 24 into 3 power 12. LCM always takes the highest power of the given prime bases. LCM always takes the highest power of the given prime bases. LCM always takes the highest power of the given prime bases. Now see here. Answer contains 2 power 24. This answer is nothing but the highest power. That means this highest power should be one among the three numbers. It is not 2 power 24. It is 2 power 24. So n will take any value from 0 to 24. Why? Because 2 power 6, 2 power 24, 2 power 0. What is highest? 24. 2 power 6, 2 power 24, 2 power 1. What is highest? 24. 2 power 6, 2 power 24, 2 power 24. What is highest? Again 24. Because the highest is there in the second value, third value can take anything from 0 to 24. Next prime base is 3 power 12. 3 power 12 is not present in the first number, not present in the second number. Third number, it is present. Into 3 power 12. 2 power 0 to 24 into 3 power 12. I hope the idea is clear. So, what are all the values it will take? This will take all the values from 2 power 0 into 3 power 12 to 2 power 24 into 3 power 12. 0 to 24, 25 values it will take. A very good question. Generally in your textbooks you have read 3 numbers are given, LCM we have to find out. Now I am doing the reverse of this. LCM is given, one number, how many values it can take. A beautiful understanding of the definition that LCM always takes the highest power of the given prime bases. Those students who want a recap, please listen carefully. 6 power 6 is 2 into 3 power 6. 2 power 6 into 3 power 6. 8 is 2 power 3 power 8 is 2 power 24. Because the second number contains 2 power 24, third number is taking from 0 to 24. If the second number does not have 2 power 24, only 2 power 24 is given to the third number. I hope it is clear. 0 to 24, total 25 values it will take. Total 25 values it will take. Very good question. We will do 2 more problems of these model 2. Extremely important. 3 numbers are there. LCM is given. 2 values are given. Third value we have to determine. Next. See the second question. What is the smallest positive integer? N such that LCM of n comma 30 is nothing but 180. LCM of n comma 30, it is 180. 30, write down it as prime bases. 2 into 3 into 5. Is it clear? N, we don't know. 180, write down it as 180, it is 2 90s are, 2 45s are, 3 15s are, 3 5s are. So this is 2 square into 3 square into 5 power 1. 2 square into 3 square into 5 power 1. Now what is the definition of LCM? LCM always takes the highest power of the given prime bases. LCM always takes the highest power of the given prime bases. Answer is 2 square. This is 2 power 1. So definitely it should be 2 square. Answer is 3 square. But it is 3 power 1. Definitely it should be 3 power 2. Answer is 5 power 1. It is already 5 power 1. So it can take from 5 power 0 or 5 power 1. So 2 cases. 2 square into 3 square into 5 power 0 or 2 square into 3 square into 5 power 1. Totally how many values n can take? 2 values. But it is smallest positive integer. If it is smallest positive integer, this case is eliminated. 4 9s are 36. 36 1s are 36. 36 1s are 36. Idea clear, right? Haritha, we are taking 0 to 24. Why? Because one number has got 2 power 24. I will do third question so that it will be clear to you. LCM of 12 power 12, 256 power 9 and x is 24 power 24. How many integral values x will take? Let us see. Same step by step. 12 power 12 is 2 square into 3 power 12, which is 2 power 24 into 3 power 12. 256 power 9 is 2 power 8 power 9, which is 2 power 72. X I don't know. 24 power 24 is 2 cube into 3 power 24. Haritha, listen carefully, you will understand it here. It is 2 power 72 into 3 power 24. Now see here. It is 2 power 72. 2 power 72, check whether it is present in any of these three numbers. Not present here. Entire 2 power 72 is present. So x can take any value from 0 to 72. 3 power 24 not present in the first. Second, it should be not present. Second, it is not present. Third, definitely it should be present. So 2 power 0 into 3 power 24 till 2 power 72 into 3 power 24. 0 to 72 is 73 values. Is it clear? Model 2, 3 examples. If it is clear to you, reply it in the live chat if it is clear to you. Highly conceptual content, not the routine based generic problems. Everybody kindly reply it in the live chat if it is clear to you. Absolutely quality problems. Everybody kindly reply if it is clear to you. Kindly reply if it is clear to you. I hope it is clear. Right. Everybody says clear, so I can go to method 3. LCM of first 120 natural numbers. Already we did this. LCM of first 120 natural numbers. LCM of first 125 natural numbers. This is kx. This is kx. Already we did this in our first class. Find k. What is the shortcut I discussed? After 120, what are all the natural numbers that are present? 121, 122, 123, 124, 125. Identify the numbers. Identify the numbers which are of the form p power k. Identify the numbers which are of the form p power k. P is a prime number. Morning we discussed, afternoon we discussed 2 into 61, 3 into 41, 4 into 31. This is 11 square 121. This is 5 cube 125. What is the highest power of 11 till 121? 11 power 1 is 11. 11 square is 121. So extra one more 11 you will get. 5 square is 25. 5 cube is 125. Extra 5 I will get. So the K value is 55. We have discussed in the evening session. In case if you want to revisit the session, make your friends listen to the class. All these 60 hours you can listen to the class freely for one time. You want to listen to it again, then you have to reach that number 55. Again I am explaining. After 120, what are all the natural numbers? 121, 122, 123, 125, 125. 121 is 11 square. 125 is 5 cube. Power of 11 till 120 is only 1, highest power. So extra 11 will come. 5 square is 25. 5 cube is 125. Extra 5 will come. 11 into 5 is 55. Clear, right? One more. LCM. I hope Shiva right now you are understanding. LCM of, directly you will say 85 natural numbers. 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. 85. We should identify the numbers. Identify the numbers which are of the form p power k, where p is a prime number. 78 is 2 into 13, 2 into 40, 2 into 41, 4 into 21, 85. 79 is 79 power 1 as it is. 81 is 3 power 4. Highest power of 3 till 77. 3 cube is 27. So extra 3 will come. These over. 83 is another prime number. 79 into 3 into 83. This is the answer. Just by looking at the numbers, you will determine what is the concept in this. Identify the numbers which are of the form. Identify the numbers which are of the form p power k. P power k. 79 into 3 into 83. Model 3. These also we discussed. Model 3 also over. Model 4. Model 3. I think already we discussed. Both are equal. First class we discussed. LCM of 1, 2, 3 till 10 is equivalent to LCM of 7, 8, 9, 10. Both are equal. We have discussed Y also. Right? In case if you miss the previous session, you may find this session little difficult. Now, I kept this question because so many students have asked me to repeat it in the WhatsApp. LCM of 1, 2, 3 till 200 divided by 105, 107 till 200. LCM of 1, 2, 3 till 200. What is the highest power of 2 till 200? 2 power 6 is 64. 2 power 7 is 128. 2 power 8 is 256. So it is 2 power 7. Highest power of 3. 3 power 4 is 81. 3 power 5 is 243. 3 power 4. 5 cube. 7 square. 11 square is 121. 13 square is 169. 17 square. All are remaining. And so on up to 199 power 1. 199 power 1. All are prime numbers. Divided by 2 divided by and so on up to in between here 101 power 1 will come, 103 power 1 will come, 107 power 1 will come, and so on. And so on. I hope it is clear, right? Any LCM can be written as the highest power of the prime number. 2 power 7, 128, 3 power 4, 81, 5 cube, 125, and so on up to 101 power 1 till 199 power 1. Divided by highest power of 2, 128, it is present in this set. Highest power of 3, 8, 3 power 4, 81. 81. 81, if you see, in this set there is a number known as 162. 162 is 81 into 2. So 3 power 4 will come. 5 cube, 125 is there. Everything will come except these two numbers, because it is starting with 105. So what is missing? 101 into 103. 101 into 103. 101 is missing. 103 is missing. Any doubts? Ask me. Any doubts? Any doubts? For us, you really need to reduce the number of times you keep the same line. So many times you are keeping the same line again and again. I hope it is clear, right? Any doubts? LCM always takes the highest power of the. What is the doubt? What is the doubt? Please mention the doubt. How will I come to know what is your doubt if you say, sir, doubt? What exactly is your doubt? Next, please tell this answer. Just look at it and say the answer. Say this answer. Don't use pen. You are my students. My students has to be extremely sharp. Now tell me, what are all the values will come? Which values will come? Mention the answer. Write the answer. LCM of 1, 2, 3 till 100. 2 power 6, 64. 3 power 4. 5 square. 5 square. 25. 7 square. 49. And so on. Up to 53. Remaining is 59 power 1. And so on up to 97 power 1. Divided by 2 power 6, 64, it will come. 3 power 4, 81, it will come. 5 square, 25, it will come. Till 97 power 1. What is missing? 53 is missing. 51 is not a prime number. It is a composite number. So it is eliminated. 51 is 3 into 17. 51 is 3 into 17. 51 is 3 into 17. Aishwarya, the doubt which you asked is an easy doubt, right? I will take up your doubt. 51 is a composite number. Be careful. 51 is a composite number. Aishwarya, this is for you. Let me take a smaller number. LCM of 1 to 20. LCM of 10 to 20. If you do add 1 0, it will become 1 to 200, 100 to 200. Aishwarya, for you. What is the highest power of 2 in 20? 2 power 4. 3 is 3 square. 5 power 1. 7 power 1. And so on up to 19 power 1. 16 is present from 10 to 20. Next one, 9. 18 is present here, which is 9 into 2. 5 power 1 will be present. 7 power 1 will be present. 19 also will be present. Both are same, right? Finish. Both are same. LCM always takes the highest power of the given prime numbers. 2 power 4, 3 square, 5, 7 till 19. 16 will come in this set. 9 multiple 18 will come in this set. 5 multiple 20 will come in this set. 7 multiple 14 will come in this set. Both are same. I hope it is clear for you. I think you have kept this doubt in the WhatsApp also. I hope it is clear for you. Right? Balaji asks a question. What is a natural number set is? Natural number set has 3 kinds of numbers. One, another is prime number. Another is composite number. Another is composite number. A prime number will have 2 factors. Only 2 factors. That is 1 and itself. One will have only 1 factor. That is 1. Composite number will have greater than 2 factors. A greater than 2 factors. Anand, could be in hurry, I wrote 5 square. LCM of 1 till 20. It is 5 power 1 only, beta. 2 power 3 square. 7 power 1, 11 power 1, 19 power 1. 10 to 20 also same numbers will come. It is 5 power 1. In hurry, I might have written it as 5 square. Somebody, Balaji, asked me what is a composite number. I hope you got the idea. Composite number is a number which got greater than 2 factors. Prime number only 2 factors. Only 1 factor, it is 1. Right? Shireen, already I explained that problem 3 times, so I am skipping. LCM model 4. Very, very important problem. Extremely tough problem. I will make it into an easiest problem. Just wait and see the magic that I will create with respect to the concept here. Generally in our exam, school books are everything. Numbers are given, LCM we have to find out. What I did, I removed one number and I gave you the LCM. Then I asked you how many values that number will take. Now I removed the entire numbers. I just gave you the LCM and I am asking you find out how many values that numbers will take. First is a traditional method. Another is Anil Nair's method. Listen carefully to method 1. Method 1. I want you to pay extra attention to this problem. How many set of 2 different numbers? Let there are 2 numbers A and B, whose LCM is 72. LCM of A and B is 72. A we don't know, B we don't know, but we know that the LCM is 72, which is 2 cube into 3 square. Answer contains prime bases 2 and 3. Answer contains prime bases 2 and 3. So question also should contain 2 and 3. 2 power x1 into 3 power y1. 2 power x2 into 3 power y2. LCM means it is the highest power of the given prime bases. highest power of the given prime bases. So, maximum of x1 and x2. Maximum of x1 and x2 has to be 3 because LCM takes the highest power of the prime bases. Maximum of y1 and y2, it has to be 2. Maximum of y1 and y2, it is 2. So this is, if x1 is 3, x2 can be 0, 1, 2. Am I right? 3, 0 maximum is 3. 3, 1 maximum is 3. 3, 2 maximum is 3. 3, 3 maximum is 3. If x2 is 3, x1 can also be 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 3 it is 3. 1, 3 it is 3. 2, 3 it is 3. Am I right? Totally how many values we will get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. For this, I got 7 values. Are you all with me? Similarly, maximum of y1, y2 is 2. Maximum of y1, y2 is 2. If y1 is 2, y2 will be 0, 1, 2. If y2 is 2, y1 will be 0, 1. Is it clear to you? Method 1, time consuming method. 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2, 0, 2, 1, 2. How many values? 5. 7 into 5. Answer is 35 values. Answer is 35 values. Please see this question. You got a doubt? Ask me. Again, I am explaining step by step. Then I will tell you Anil Nair's way of solving this question. This question will take 2 to 4 minutes to solve the question. We will complete the question in less than 10 seconds. But we should know the traditional method. LCM of two numbers is 72. Step number 1. 72 is 2 power 3 into 3 square. Because answer contains 2, question also contains 2. 2 power x1 into 2 power x2. 3 power y1 into 3 power y2. Maximum of x1, x2 is 3. Maximum of y1, y2 is 2. x1, x2 if it is 3. If x1 is 3, x2 can take 0, 1, 2, 3. If x2 is 3, x1 can take 0, 1, 2. Similarly for y1 and y2 too. How many of you understood this traditional method? Permutation and combination. x1, x2 I got 7 cases. y1, y2 I got 5 cases. 7 into 5. It is 35 cases. It is 35 cases. The root cause lies in understanding that 72 is 2 power 3. Because it is power 3 and the LCM takes the highest power. LCM takes the highest power. x1, x2. If x1 is 3, x2 is 0, 1, 2, 3. Think logically. 2 power 3 to 2 power 0. Highest is 2 power 3. 2 power 3, 2 power 1. Highest is 2 power 3. 2 power 3, 2 power 3. Highest. So total 7 into 5. It is 35 cases. Traditional method, bookish method, step-by-step method, long method. This question, many of the students will not solve this question because they think that this question is very, very difficult. Method 2. Please write down method 2. Write down method 2. Method 2. Why you should listen to Anil Nair's classes? Why I create 100 percentile in CAT examination You will understand because of this. Anil Nair's way to solve. Method 2. Method 2. First I will explain neatly. Then I will directly write the answer. LCM of A comma B is 72. A we don't know. B we don't know. 72 is 2 power 3 into 3 square. A is 2 power x1 into 3 power y1. 2 power x2 into 3 power y2. Maximum of x1, x2, it is 3. If x1 is 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. If x2 is 3, it is 0, 1, 2. Listen carefully. What are all the cases? 3, 0, 3, 1, 3, 2. 0, 3, 0, 1, 3, 2, 3 and next is 3, 3. Total 7 values I got. Now, listen carefully, sir. This is something which we should know. Now, LCM of A comma B is 72, which is 2 power 3 into 3 square. Now see, can I say every ordered pair has got at least 1 3? Yes or no? Every ordered pair has got at least 1 3. At least 1 3. Now I am using at least 1 is nothing but total minus none. What is this? I will explain. Till I make it clear, please just listen to me. At least 1 is total minus none. What is this total minus none? Give all the powers of 2 to A. A is 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 3. B also give 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. All values give. 0 to 3 is 4, 0 to 3 is 4. Total cases I will get 4 square. Minus none. Remove the power of 3. 3 3s are 9. 16 minus 7 is 9 is 7 cases. Please see what are all these cases. Please see here. Till I make you understand, you are not going to write it. You are not going to write it. Because when I was teaching as a South India academic head, many teachers have said that this question is difficult. So I told them it is not difficult. If I sit and spend some time, I will find out a way. People say that I am known for simplifying things. Now see here. Total cases. What are these total 16 cases? 16 cases are 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3. 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3. 3, 0, 3, 1, 3, 2 and 3, 3. These are the total cases. 4 square cases minus. If I remove none means don't take power of 3. 0, 0 should be removed. 0, 1 should be removed. 0, 2 should be removed. 1, 0 is removed. 1, 1 is removed. 1, 2 is removed. 2, 0 is removed. tooth 1 is removed, tooth 2 is removed. What are these remaining? Remaining is this what we got it there, x1 3, x2 0, 1, 2, 3, yes or no? At least 1 is nothing but total minus none. At least 1 is nothing but total minus none. A means all the powers of 2 starting from 0 to 3. B also give all from 0 to 3. None means do not take 2 power 3. Similarly, next case, A will take all the powers of 3. 3 power 0 to 2. I got 3 square cases. Minus don't take 3 power 2. Minus 2 square. 7 into 5 is 35. 7 into 5 is 35. A 4-minute problem will become a 10 seconds problem if you understand the root cause of the problem. If you understand the root cause of the problem, this becomes very, very easy for you. I will do some more examples. 72, let us eliminate it. LCM of A comma B is 360. LCM of A comma B is 360. What is 360? 8 into 9 into 5. 8 is 2 cube. 9 is 3 square. This is 5 power 1. At least once is nothing but total minus none. Total minus none. Total minus none. Total A will take from 0 to 3. B will take from 0 to 3. 4 into 4, 4 square. Minus don't take 2 power 3. 0 to 2, 0 to 2. 4 square minus 3 square. 3 square. 3 power 0 to 3 power 2. 3 power 0 to 3 power 2. 3 square minus 2 square. 5 power 1. 5 power 0 to 5 power 1. 5 power 0 to 5 power 1. 2 square minus 1 square. I hope everybody enjoyed this beautiful shortcut of solving a toughest question in fastest time. I hope it is clear. I think few students have, yes, I made a mistake in the previous calculation. Please make a note. It is not 10, it is 20. I hope you got the idea. You got the idea. You understood the mistake which I did it, which is calculation. Kindly reply it. Kindly reply it in case if you have understood it. Is it clear to you? Anybody got any doubt? Divya, yes, you are right. It is instead of 10, it is 20. You got the idea right, everybody? Everybody understood that idea? More than the value, focus more on the approach. This approach, I hope it is clear. This approach, I hope it is clear. This approach, is it clear? Is it clear? Snehit Reddy, yes, you are right. Eventually, I will get into that conclusion only. I don't want to write it as 2p plus 1 or 2q plus 1 because there is a difference between ordered pair and an unordered pair. Eventually, I will come to your conclusion only. But wait for it to happen. LCM of ABC. LCM of ABC is 120. Directly tell me the answer. How many values ABC will take? How many values ABC will take? 120 is 2 cube into 3 into 5. 2 cube means how many values I will get? 0 to 3. 4, 4, 4. 4 cube minus 3 cube. 3 power 1, 0 to 1, 2, 0 to 1, 2, 2 cube minus 1 cube, 5 power 0, 5 power 1, 2 cube minus 1 cube. 64 minus 27 is 37 into 7 into 7. I hope it is clear. Otherwise, it will become an extremely tedious process. Everybody, is it clear? Everybody, is it clear? Everybody, is it clear? Any doubt? Any doubt? This is exactly, if you go by the formula based learning, this is where it will hit you. A will take 2 power 0 to 2 power 3. B will take 2 power 0 to 2 power 3. 2 power 0 to 2 power 3. 4, 4, 4. 4 cube. Remove 2 cube, which is 0 to 2. 3, 3, 3. 4 cube minus 3 cube. 0 to 3. 0 to 3 power 0, 3 power 1. 3 power 0, 3 power 1. 3 power 0, 3 power 1. Right? None means don't take the highest power. Don't take the highest power. Now this is where, this is exactly, if you go by the 2k plus 1 approach, Snehit Reddy, if you are going for a CAT coaching anywhere, what they said is only partial. This is, I hope it is clear. Rakesh, you are new to me. I don't explain formula. I explain the logic behind the formula. One more question. Any values it will satisfy. LCM of ABCD is 119 square. How many values ABCD will take? How many values ABCD will take? 4 variables are there. 119 is 7 square into 17 square. 7 square means 7 power 0 to 7 power 2 till D. 7 power 0 to 7 power 2, which will become 3 power 4. Don't take 7 power 2 minus 2 power 4, because the powers are same. Same thing I will get it. 3 power 4 minus 2 power 4. Minus 2 power 4. If 2 variables are there, your formula may work. If 3 variables or 4 variables are there, your formula will not work. Your formula will not work. That is exactly why you should go through a conceptual understanding. Is it clear? Kindly reply it in the live chat. At least one sees total minus none. At least one sees total minus 9. Everybody kindly reply it in the live chat if it is clear to you. If it is clear to you, kindly reply. All are shortcuts. Yesterday, last 2 digits also, we discussed A6 power 110 is directly 76. We discussed 36 power 240. Directly we wrote it as 76. Yes, Rajat. It is definitely a tough question, but only thing which you should know is at least one sees total minus none. At least one sees total minus 1. Now, let us solve this question. How many pairs of numbers have their LCM? Because it is pairs, Somebody said 2k plus 1, which will backfire if the number of variables are growing. LCM of a comma b is 100. 2 square into 5 square. 2 square means 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2. 3 square minus 2 square. Powers are same. 3 square minus 2 square. 5 5s are 25. Here somebody, some teacher, local teacher who does not have any understanding, they will tell it formula, right? For 2 variables it might work. For 3 variables it will not work. I hope it is clear. Just I want to ask you one simple question. Let me solve this LCM model 4. LCM of ABC is 72. 2 cube into 3 square. 2 cube is 0 to 3, 0 to 3, 0 to 3. Which is 4 cube minus 3 cube. 3 power 0, 3 power 2. 3 cube minus 2 cube. Single step answer. Single step answer. Single step answer. Single step answer. 4 cube minus 3 cube into 3 cube minus 2 cube. Total minus none. Total minus none. Diksha, for you. LCM of ABCD is 1000 will keep. 2 cube into 5 cube, which is 1000. Diksha, for you. 2 cube, 2 power 0 to 2 power 3. 2 power 0 to 2 power 3. 4 power 4 minus 3 power 4. Powers are same. 4 power 4 minus 3 power 4. I hope it is clear. Right? I hope it is clear. These 4 represents from 0 to 3. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. These 4 represents the number of variables. Number of variables. 4 power 4 minus 3 power 4. 4 power 4 minus 3 power 4. Idea